In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to automatically remove the background from a logo so it can be used as an overlay on top of your video. Sometimes you may download a logo that has a solid background instead of a transparent PNG. Instead of opening another software, we can remove that background directly inside Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place your logo clip or image on the timeline, usually on a track above your main video. Now, select the logo clip. Go to the effects panel and search for Logo Cutout. Drag and drop the effect onto the logo clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the auto detection option. This gives you three modes: fully automated, semi-automated, and manual. In most cases, fully automated works very well and gives the best results quickly. Premiere automatically analyzes the logo and removes the surrounding background. If needed, you can switch to semi-automated or manual mode. These options allow you to manually tweak the settings. If the automatic detection is not perfect, below that, you'll see the visual curve editor and settings like threshold and feather, which help refine how the mask detects the logo edges. You'll also see options like preserve red, preserve green, and preserve blue. These settings help protect the original colors of the logo while removing the background. Next is choke mask, which tightens the mask edges slightly to clean up any unwanted background pixels. You can also enable show mask if you want to preview how Premiere is detecting the logo area. Once the background is removed properly, the logo will appear cleanly on top of your video, and that's it. You've successfully removed the background from a logo using the Logo Cutout effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.